samastitihi, laying on your back. Flex the ankles, lift the chest, reach back, reach down through the pinky fingers, ground the thigh bones, release the inner thigh towards the mat. Hollow the belly. Okay, from there, bend the knees. So bring your heels back towards your sitting bones. Strike down through the inner foot. So actually stamp your foot, lift the back of the pelvis, and then take your hands, so your elbows are on the ground, and the heel of the hand, the fingers are facing away, kind of out to the sides, and the heel of the hand is right on the sacrum, the back of the pelvis. And with your hands and arms supporting your bridge, go into the legs. So remember the actions of the legs. You are adducting, so sucking the thighs towards each other, even though they don't quite come all the way together. Releasing the inner thigh down, so you're internally rotating your femur in the hip socket. And then you're grounding the legs. So they're very stable and stubbornly planted in position. And then lift up the chest into a mighty expansion. Okay, then free the hands, but keep the pelvis up, and then clasp the fingers underneath you and continue your work without having the hands to support. So lift the pelvis, stamp down through the feet, and continue to curve the spine into the body. And if you wanted to go further with it, you could catch your feet, your ankles, and really lift up the pelvis and curve the spine into the body. Strike down through the feet, suck the legs towards each other. Breathe into your chest, not your belly. So if you have hooked your ankle or shin, you can pull so the arms are fully lengthened, and the pull can lift the pelvis and draw the spine into the body. And you should feel the buttocks and hamstrings really working, and the quadriceps. Okay, so sit up and take your blocks. So they're at the wall about hip width apart. Then you're going to scoot your hips to the blocks. Put your feet on the blocks. You can put your toes up the wall, but keep the ball of the foot on the ground. Then lift up the pelvis and take your arms under your shoulders. Lift your head and go onto your head like headstand, and take headstand position with the arms. And then lift your head off the ground and lift your pelvis up and curve the spine into the body. So you're kind of stabilizing your legs and lifting the chest, lifting the shoulders. Keeping the breath steady. And then come down, go to your head, take your hands, and come down for a moment. Okay, and then we'll repeat that and then go all the way up. And remember, you're trying to get your legs to be very stubborn. So you're going to, the legs are stubborn and they resist the action of the spine. Okay, so take your position, come up onto your head, and then lift up, come into position and touch your knees to the wall. Okay, then let the knees come just away from the wall. Stamp the feet down. Suck the legs towards each other, internally rotate them, and then go into your chest work without losing your leg actions. Keep the chin tucked for the moment. Stay in the legs and lift the chest. down. Okay, and then sit up. All right, now we'll turn around and put our hands on the blocks and kind of work with some of the shoulder and chest work. Okay, so lay down on your back with the blocks at the wall. Plant your hands on the blocks. Get stamped down through your feet. And inhale, come up. Tuck your chin for the moment. Work to straighten the arms and lift the chest to the wall. Be very patient with the shoulder work and feel the feet stamped down evenly. The thighs sucking towards each other, the navel lifted, the upper spine into the body, and slowly come down. Okay, so now we'll put the props aside and just give it a go. All right, lay on your back, plant your feet near your sitting bones, take the arms over, come up onto your head, then lift up the pelvis to come up. Strike down through the legs, suck the legs towards each other, and then go into the chest opening. And come down. All right, let's do it again. Come up. Distribute the weight evenly between the hands and feet, heavy limbs, light spine. And come down.